Hey there, welcome to NSTACK.in. In this video, I am going to show you how you can write comments. So let me share my screen with you. Okay, so first of all, this is a basic program, and in order to run this, we will just write dot and the file name hello.dot. You can see this is running. So let me show you how we can write comment in dot file. So first of all, the first way is single line comment. So for that, we just have to use two slash like this, and when you put that, after that whatever you are going to write, this is going to be ignored. Okay, this is going to be ignored by the, you can say, the compiler. This will be ignored by compiler, but we human can read this, but machine is going to ignore this part. Okay, so this is known as single line comment. So when we want to explain something about the code in single line, we can use these kind of comment, a single line comment. Okay, so sometimes we need to explain the things in multiple lines, or there is some logic which we need to explain in multiple lines. So for that, there is a way. We just write a single slash, after that we write a uh, asterisk symbol, after that we write again a asterisk symbol and a slash. So slash asterisk, and after that asterisk slash. So in between whatever we are going to write, this will be considered as comment. So if I will break this into multiple line, it is still comment. You can see, so this can break up to multiple line. If you want to use this as a single line of comment, you can use it, but this is made for multi-line comment, so that you can line 1, you can see this is the line 1 comment, this is line 2 comment. So you can see that we can write multi-line comment. And if we want to write something here, uh, this is not ignored. Okay, so you can see that after this comment, this is not ignored, hello world, this is fine. So you see that this is single line comment, this is multi-line comment. So let's run this. You can see hello world, this is not ignored. So after the multi-line comment, whatever I am writing, it's working. Only part which is ignored is this part, not this part, this part and this part. There is one more thing. Sometimes if you want to write comment along with any statement, like this is the statement, if you want to write comment here, you can come here and write uh, its value is 5. So you can see, or 6. So we can, after the statement, if you want to write the comment, you can write this way. So now this part will be not ignored, but this part will be ignored because this is a comment. So you can write the comment at the end of statement. So if I want to use multi-line, this is ignored, so I can use the multi-line also after the statement. This can be used in this way also. So you saw 4 example. The first one is the this one, single line comment, multi-line comment. A different way of writing single line comment is after the statement. This is how. And different way of writing multi-line comment is in the single line after the statement. Or you can break this into multi-line also. You can see. You can use this way also. The things which is going to be ignored is the complete, like this anything after this will be not ignored, or anything after this will be ignored. So this is how multi-line comment works. What you cannot do, so suppose that if you write a print statement, and after print statement, if you want to write some comment, it will probably work, not probably, it will definitely work if you write any comment after the statement. But if you will write any comment before the statement, this will ignore this one. As you can see that the color of the code has been changed, so this is going to be ignored. But if you want to write the comment before the statement, and if that is multi-line, so then it is fine. You can see that only this part is ignored. As I told you earlier also, when you are using multi-line comment, so whatever has been written between this point and this point, whatever is in between them will be ignored, and other than that nothing will be ignored. So multi-line comment can be used before the statement also, but single line cannot be. I think this was too much for the comment, and people usually do not get much deeper into it. People usually use this thing and this thing, that's it. They do not use much thing, but I have tried most of the things in the very longer period, so I have some experience with it, so that's why I am sharing. So I hope you liked it. If you have any problem or any question, you can write in the comment. If you do not, hit the like button, write your comment if you want to ask anything. Thank you.